Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Tuesday, November 22nd, guys. We are one day closer to Turkey Day. Hopefully, you guys all had a fantastic Monday evening. We are going to go ahead and get started this morning right away, guys. Like I said, tomorrow, housekeeping item, going to be giving away a free iPad for Thanksgiving. Haven't done a giveaway in a while, so we're going to do a giveaway for an iPad just like the one that I have that I used every single morning. All you have to do is come in to the pre-market live tomorrow. We're going to do a little giveaway keyword, and then you can just leave a comment on the YouTube, and we will give away an iPad to one lucky person. So very excited about that. That is my way of doing a little give back for Thanksgiving. Going to try to do one more giveaway, bigger giveaway for Christmas too, next month, and that's going to be like insane. But this month, I wanted to give away, do a little iPad giveaway. It's been a long month. It's been a choppier month. Hasn't been my best month, but you know what, guys? When you have SPY trading like it has been on the daily, we've spent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 straight days, almost 8 days, in the same $8 range. Becomes a little bit tighter of a month, just from a trading perspective. So just wanted to go ahead and kind of let you guys know about that. And then as far as the charts go, this morning, guys, I'm going to be having pretty much 3 main watches. So as I mentioned, S&P 500 going to be on watch again today. Here's the level that I want to pay attention to, guys. 395.85 was the area where we struggled with yesterday. If we look at the hourly chart, guys, we saw a lot of resistance in this 395 area up to 396. So this zone between 396.3 and 395.8 was a bigger resistance area. We had a lot of supply up here, but we pushed through that resistance zone just now. We're pushing up towards, right, that 397. We're pushing towards the top of this range, right? We've been kind of range bound, and 398 is going to be the area where there's a, bigger focus for me, right? If we get through 398, we should test that 400 area. So this morning, I do think there should be a nice trade setup if we get through that 398 area. I think we should test that area through the open as long as we hold this 396.40 area, right? So that's going to be an important level for me going into today. 396.40 at the open is the level that I'm going to be watching. We're looking at the SPY hourly right now. So 396.40 is the level of interest for me today. If we break back below 395.8, I think we should probably pull down towards that 393 support area, right? So that's been the stronger support this past, really 5 days has been 393, right? And then we've got that stronger resistance at 398, and really that 396.5 supply area has been tough. So we're entering an area of supply as we head into the open here. However, we have one major stock showing strength this morning that has not been showing strength, and that is Elon's beloved Tesla. Tesla actually showed some strength this morning. In pre-market, notable bid in the tape. I saw kind of a few people, posting this, but, we're kind of at the bottom end of this range on the weekly, right? If we clear all of our horizontal levels and we kind of, do a little bit of a rough trend line, right? From kind of down here all the way through the bottom of this zone here. We've really kind of been in this, range where we'll bounce to the bottom here and then kind of push towards the top area of this spot. On the weekly chart, guys, excuse me, I don't know why my Weeble is not acting properly right now. That being said, like I said, I mentioned here that that 167 area was that high. If you come back here in September of 2020, we had that high at 168, and that was the resistance that we had to break to see that further upside move. So if you're wondering why we saw a bounce at that level yesterday, right, that's the top of this resistance area. I thought we could have pushed down to maybe 154, but it seems like we found some buyers there. So coming into today, what am I going to be focused on when it comes to Tesla? Well, I'm going to be looking for a break above this 172 area for pre-market high. Whenever we see Tesla bounce like this, guys, it usually is a pre-market high trigger type of day. So if we can get through that pre-market high area, which was that 171 area, then I think we should see a possible move towards that 178 zone, maybe even 180. So I think we could possibly have a relief rally day for Tesla on our hands today. Like I said, guys, it's going to be about clearing that pre-market high, which is at that 171.38 level. If we were to clear that pre-market high at 171.38, I think we could see, first off, 172.50, and then a really big push up towards 176. So we will see. It's due for a squeeze-out day. I'm not saying that has to happen. There needs to be a bid there first. We will see. Definitely seeing some growth names respond favorably today, which is what I mentioned yesterday. We talked about how I thought the growth names were due for a larger scale bounce just based upon the fact of where we were closing. We saw names like Coin close at 52-week lows. We saw Mara close near 52-week support area. We saw Roblox bounce off a key weekly area, right? And Roblox is definitely still going to be my favorite setup coming into today. Textbook, and I mean textbook daily candle trap at that key level at 30.70, right? We saw that. So if you look, guys, the daily candle trap is when we have a daily candle low, which was right here on the 9th. That was our earnings day. And then yesterday's candle actually trapped above that level, right? Big wick down, acts like it's going to break support. Wick comes back up, pushes through 30.70, and then we close over, right? So textbook daily candle trap there, guys, 30.70 validation level. I'm going to be looking for a move still into this 32 area first, right? So that 32 zone is that first key level that I'm going to be paying attention to. But really, my larger scale target is going to be here, right? That's going to be that 33.50 area, right? That's a really big level on the weekly chart, guys, and definitely a spot I'm going to be paying attention to. We were up almost 2% in pre-market at one point, now up about half of 1% here. So again, like I said, I'm expecting, a little bit of a larger scale bounce on these names today. With the way the market's behaving, I won't be surprised if we don't get that because we're just in a slower overall market right now. But I thought from a risk to reward perspective, that definitely presented the best risk to reward. One thing I want to note, guys, is if you look across names like Roblox, if you look at names like Coin, if you look at names like Rivian, if you look at all of those, growthy names that we had been trading a lot in the past, those names, the premiums on those names have been completely, we could say, you could say nerfed, you could say IV crushed, whatever, but you've seen those names completely reset in terms of premiums, and those call premiums are extremely cheap, as are, most of the put premiums, honestly, but the call premiums are extremely, extremely cheap. You're seeing Roblox, 8% out of the money calls trading for 10 cents, implying that we're not going to see a large move this week. We do have a shorter week this week, but still, that's when I see something like that, it usually, ends up being kind of that A+ opportunity. We do have Bitcoin bouncing a little bit. Coin is going to be on watch today for me for that 52-week low bounce, right? We bounced off of that $40 support area, and I think this probably rallies into 46 or 47 either this, probably today or tomorrow. We'll see. But the momentum could be there today. On Coinbase, just got to read the flow. It's not my top focus setup. Roblox definitely for me is going to be my main focus off the open. But again, I think that presents a really nice opportunity, likely today or tomorrow. And we talked about it again, but Mara as well, pushing towards that weekly support area. So again, those are going to be pretty much my main focuses this morning. One name I do want to mention, Gap GPS. Really strong daily breakout, guys. This looks like it's bound for this $15 area. Inexpensive call premiums here as well. I think this could push into the, even maybe 15, 40, 16 area. Retail with some strong earnings across this morning. This one looks like a really nice idea for 15 plus. So going to keep GPS on watch off the open this morning as well. So again, guys, I think the Rivian or Roblox overnight should open up nicely. again, that was, kind of my main focus at the end of the day yesterday. And I took, obviously more size there because that's a setup that I look for. So again, guys, that's going to be my primary focus off the open. I'll be on live Discord trading with, actually Debug is going to join me this morning. So you guys will have both of us on Discord live this morning, for the first hour for the first hour and a half. So that should be a lot of fun. All right. I will see you guys on the Discord live trading. And then again, tomorrow we are doing the iPad giveaway and a little bit of an extended pre-market live. Tomorrow's a bigger day. We have Fed minutes coming up. So again, guys, lowering expectations right now is crucial, not forcing things, taking things as they come. I will see you guys on the live trading in the Discord. Head over to that left-hand side, hit live trading. See you guys there.